Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you everything that comes in a 12,000 XP bundle. This is a 2-battery bundle. You can get a 1 battery, a 2 battery, 3 battery, but we went ahead and got a 2-battery bundle. So besides what you see right here, there's 2 batteries, and we'll open one of those last. But we're going to go through and open everything and show you exactly what comes in the bundle. So this is all from Signature Solar. We just barely bought this. We're pretty excited. We're going to have a series of videos. We have an inverter install video. We'll have a battery install video. We'll have several reviews on it, some talks. We're going to compare the 12,000 to the 6,000, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So you got a plate here. This has got your grooves cut into it, knockouts, and this is to go on the bottom of the inverter, I believe. So you got one of those. We'll start with this smaller box. Okay, that is just some cables. Nice. These are your cables to go between batteries. So you've got a ground cable. Oh, that's communication. Okay, you got a communication cable, positive, and a negative. So that's something that's just going to be in a 2-battery or 3-battery bundle, whatever. We've got these conduit boxes. So these do have a QR code to scan to get your installation guide. This box, a little bit smashed up for sure in shipping, but see, the item is just fine. I decided I'm actually just going to lay this all out so you guys can see everything that is in there. So that is everything that's in there. So you've got punch outs for the ends of it to run wires between boxes. Pretty sweet. Several different sizes, and they're labeled. You got a right, left, back. That should be really easy to put together. All right, time for the inverter. This thing's definitely big, but it is 12,000 watts. That's a lot of juice. It's as heavy as my old trace inverter. Okay, there's your template. Nice. Can be using that. Now these come with brackets. You got some brackets. You screw on the side of it and screw it to the wall. Then you've also got this one. You're going to screw that up onto the wall. And then you just lift your inverter up, hang it into there. That's nice. When you got that heavy inverter, you can just, because it's really hard to hold your inverter and screw those on there. So that's going to be nice. Look at it. You can put it into concrete or just screw it into the wall. All right, here we go. Ready? Wow, there she is. You know, that's not as big as I thought it was, actually. That's not that much bigger. Okay, other things. So that's what's in here. You just got your communication cable. There's got to be a Wi-Fi dongle in here somewhere. There's your hookup for it. Got the side handles, like the 6,000. Smart load. Look at this. It's actually screwed down on this. Keep them kids out of there. Same there. Safety screws. I like that, actually. That's pretty cool. Smart load and load. That is different. Your PV on the side. All right, the same small screws all around. So here it is. I'm putting it away. Found that sneaky Wi-Fi dongle right there. That makes sense. Okay. Now time for the battery. So the batteries came on a pallet, both batteries stacked on top of each other with the inverter on top of that and all the other boxes on there. The truck driver just dropped them right by our trailer, and then we opened the pallet. We put everything else inside the Equinox and the batteries on here. So it actually wasn't that bad putting the batteries on here, because the first one was about the height of here and we just slid it onto here, and then the second one we just put one end on at a time and slid it on here and got both batteries on here. But they are just going to sit here on the trailer until we're ready to install, and then I'm going to get the tractor and I'm going to move them into place. But we're going to open it and check it out. So here we go. You got these little tabs. You got to bend then bend them up the rest of the way. I would recommend using pliers for this, but I'd have to go all the way back in the house to get pliers. So this is an indoor wall mount battery. You can also get this bundle with outdoor battery. Here's your quick start guide. Nice. And the battery. We get some mounting bolts, communication cable, probably the mounting hardware, or spanking stick. Most likely mounting hardware on that side, and then this side you've got cables. So these are your inverter cables. Plug them into the battery, plug it into the inverter. But you're gonna need some kind of connection on these. Oh, lifting ropes. Nice. And it's got the feet. It's gonna sit on these, and it's going to mount to the wall to make so it don't tip over. Yep, that rope's right there. So it's like two guys can easily lift that out of there. There's the battery. So this is how long the battery cables are. I should probably put a measuring tape on them. They're about 3 feet long. I'm hoping this is long enough for how we're going to mount it. We're actually going to put our batteries on the other side of the wall. Inverter in the house, batteries outside in a storage room. So we'll see. You got to get whatever connectors you need for these. But that shows you everything that comes in the bundle. And so whatever else you need for your install, you can start ordering it while you're waiting for your bundle to get delivered. So when it gets here, you're just ready to put it in. Unlike me, now I've got to scurry around and find everything else that I need. So that concludes the unboxing, look it all over video, and watch for the other videos, inverter install, battery install, comparisons. Those will all be coming out later. Thanks so much for watching, and catch you just in a few minutes on the next video.